Hey, once again, welcome back to another episode. Within this episode, we're gonna learn or we're gonna see how we autofill our columns, rows, and cells. We're gonna learn how to find and replace our data within our sheet. We're gonna look at or we're gonna learn how to autocorrect our data, making some abbreviations if we're dealing with big or large amount of data. Don't forget, you're still on Digital Life with Joel. Like, share, and comment. Let's spread love, and don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. And if you find this video short or in a bit, I recommend you check on our YouTube channel for full videos, which is Digital Life with Joel. Thank you. Let's dive into our Excel worksheet. Welcome back to the Digital Life with Joel. And in today's lesson, I want us to learn three things. I want us to know how to auto-fit our columns or our rows or our cells. I want us to know or to learn how to find and replace. I want us to know how to autocorrect in case you're dealing with large sums of data and you want to type the abbreviation for the shortcuts so that you can catch up with the speed. This one here will help you a lot. So let's get started. And let's go first. In the last preview, in the last video, we learned so many things. If you watched my video, my full video I posted last, if you did not, just go, please watch it so that you can catch up with us. So in the last video, we saw what is the interface. We saw how to navigate through the Excel. We saw what is a row. We talked about columns. What are they? We saw what is a cell and types of cells, active, something like that. We saw the difference between a worksheet and a workbook. And we saw how to enter our data and some of the simple formatting. And we stopped on our data here. We created some data here, sort of a table in the last video. If you are with me, if you did not see the video, please just go watch it so that you can catch up with us. Without wastage of time, let's go straight to how to fit our data in the Excel. Okay, or how to fit in the column, rows, cells, whatever it is. So we have our simple data here, our simple same this table. I just copy and paste it here, but let me just delete it so that we can move together. I'll go back. I click on the first cell, cell A1. I drag till the end. I press Ctrl C. That is Ctrl C. It's copy. I come here. I press Ctrl V to paste the data, as you can see. Or there is one simple formula here or shortcut. Let me press Ctrl Z to delete this. Let me go back here. I can press my mouse on the first cell, I press Ctrl A to select the entire data, then Ctrl C to copy it, come back here in my next cell sheet, I click on the first cell A1, I press Ctrl V to paste. Sorry, I did not copy. I did not. Let's copy this. Ctrl A. Hold on. Ctrl A. Ctrl C. I'm here. Ctrl V. As you can see now. Now we've copied our data here, as you can see, but you notice that we have so much gap here. There is so much space in this column. This one, this one, this one, this one also. Also in the cell, in the rows also, space is too much. And as you can see, this cell which has a calculated field, the name is outside the cell also. We need to feed that. So we have many options. First option, you click on the first column, then you drag your mouse to the last. Then you come in the intersection or in between these rows, this column between D and E, in the middle of this line, you press your mouse here, then you double click, it will auto fit. Okay, or else press Ctrl Z to go back. You come like this, you do the same thing, you highlight, you press your mouse here, then you drag it till the end. Then there is, in this home tab, there is what we call format. You click on that, there is Autofit, row heights, Autofit column. Now right now, I'll press all. I'll press this one first, and I'll go with this also, Autofit column. As you can see, it automatically fits. That's how we fit our data, so that it can look nice, amazing, and with little space. But another example, let's go here. I have my data here. I'll press here, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C to copy it. Let me paste it here. I press Ctrl V to paste it. As you can see, I have my numbers here. I have my column of numbers. I have my sort of cities or companies. I have sort of companies also here. They have several names, but these names, you cannot see them. And now let's say this cell I2, it has, if you see here in the formula bar, it has retail information technology, but the old word did not fit inside the cell. So how to do that? How to auto fit? How to fit them? How to fit this cell? You click on the first row like this, where your data starts from. You drag your mouse till the last, where your data stops, and you come here in the between, come at the column here, in between the column, you double click, it will auto fit. Or else Ctrl Z to go back, same, you drag, press your mouse here at the first column, you drag it till the end, you come in the home tab here, there is what we call cells section, come to the format section, auto fit column. Easy, simple, and nice, and your data will look nice and amazing. So hope we learned how to fit our data in the Excel so that it looks nice and amazing and format something important. So let's go to the second one, finding and replace. Find and replace. In this find and replace, what do I mean with this? You may be noticing something like you want to find some number, or you want to change some digits, or you want to change some information within your table or within your entire sheet, but you cannot scroll till the last end. Scroll this side, you come this side, checking each box, clicking each box. No, you cannot do that. It will be a wastage of time. Okay, so we shall do like this. How to find and replace? We shall use this find and replace section. Okay, let's first Autofit our data so that it looks nice, so that we can continue, double click there so that it looks nice. So how do I find and replace? Let's say I want to replace oil and gas with maybe an abbreviation, right? First method, we're gonna come on our home tab again. There is this section where you see editing. Editing has find and search. Select. You click on that down arrow, you can see many commands here. There is find, replace, go to, special. We shall see each and everything, what it does and how to do it and how to use it. So we're gonna click on this replace. Okay, sorry, I had some data already here. Hit this, but if you're clicking it at the first time, it will come blank like this, as you can see. Yeah, mine had some data inside because I was doing something else. So we're gonna find, we want to change oil and gas. We put it some maybe abbreviation. We type here, find what oil and gas. Replace it with, let's see, an abbreviation, O and G. Let's select O and G, an abbreviation. Then after doing that, you press replace all. It will show you here, all done. We made 5 replacements. Then you click OK. You exit here. As you can see, our section, we have oil and gas. We abbreviated it with O and G. Oil and gas. That is the first method. The second one is press Ctrl Z to go back. The second method you can do, you can click on in any cell on your data, then you press Ctrl H, that is a shortcut. You can drag this wherever you want. Maybe it's here, it's closing your table, you cannot see what you want. You see, our data is still there because we typed already. We find oil and gas, replace it with G. If it's not there, let's delete it. Try to delete this and we type again. This time around, let's find what should we replace. Let's replace which one is easier? I think healthcare with some abbreviation later so that it is I can show you how it does. Healthcare, then replace it with, you can choose H and C. Okay, H and C, then press replace all. You see, it will notify you here. All done, we made 4 replacements within your data or your table. Now, there is another thing here. You may find, let's press Ctrl Z to go back. You may find that, let me give you another example here. Let me copy this table, our first table. Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy. I click here, Ctrl V to paste. To paste it, double click. You may find another example here. Let me give you. Like here, I have my serial number, I have my list, my cost, yearly, monthly, or money. Okay. Now, let me add something here. Let's say we have our, what is this? We have our quantity. Let's say quantity, CC, quantity. Let's put 2 here, and 3, 4, 3, 1, 0. Okay, this is our quantity. To make it look same with our, we shall put our border so that it looks exactly same. We have our quantity here, we have our entire table here, this table and this table. So I press on this table, I press Ctrl H, find and replace. I will delete this. Okay, now I want to show you something. I can drag this down here so that I can see what I want to find and what I want to replace. Let's say I want to replace 2 with I want number 2 to make it 2.5. Let's say I want to make it 2.5, then I replace. Now you see it replaced. All done, we made 12 replacement. You saw that? 12 replacement, but it may, you did not want to change this. You see this yearly, they changed also. This one, it changed also, and in this also it changed. You see, it changed in somehow. It also in here there is a change there. Also here there is a change, but maybe you wanted only to change the 2 in our J column only, but also it was affected, the command affected also other columns. Okay, how do you do that? Let's press Ctrl Z to go back. Now if you want to change only on this section, let's say you want to change only here or only here, let's select this here, only this column, it's the one you want to change. You click on it, on the number there on the box or in the cell, you drag it down like this, or you click up on the column, you press Ctrl H, find 2, let's say 12, yeah, let's say 2, same 2, replace it with 2.5. You click replace. You see, all 5 are replaced. Now what it does, the command only focuses on this column selected, but let's say you did not select this column. We did not select this column like the other time. We only click on our box wherever we want. Then we press Ctrl H, find and replace it with 2.5. It will affect the entire column. Okay, but if you want to replace only in one column, it's there where you want to find what you want and you want to replace it with what you want. Also, you click the column, you highlight the column like this, so that the command only deals with this selected column. You got me? Yep, that's it. Press Ctrl Z to undo our list. Now, the last part is here, Autofit. How do we do the Autofit? How it works and how to press the command. I will copy my table here, or anyway, let's not copy any table. Now let's say I want to type my beautiful name here, Dictor live with Joel. Maybe I want to type it 100 times like this every time, and I don't want to do that each and every time. What do I do that? I will autocorrect this, okay? Or I'll just create an abbreviation for my title here, Dictor Live with Joel, so that when I put an abbreviation here, let's say I want to make it DLJ only, Dictor Live with Joel. That's it. When I click that abbreviation, it brings the same name here. When I put this abbreviation DLJ, it will bring, then I press enter, it will bring the full name, Dictor Live with Joel. How to do that? We're going to autocorrect. So you come here on your file, okay? You press your file, you come to the option menu, you click option, you come to proofing, you click that, you see here autocorrect options. You see some commands are here already, but I want to put the new one. Okay, I'll press autocorrect option. You see I have also some commands here which are already there, but I want to put mine. Okay, I'll put my abbreviation here, DLJ. Okay, replace it with Dictor, my beautiful name, Dictor Live with Joel. Okay, I'll press add, I press OK, press OK here. Now look what it does. I click my cell, I type DLJ, press enter. You see that? It brought Dictor Live with Joel. Maybe I will be using that abbreviation in my entire Excel or in my entire sheet. I'll be putting that all over everywhere. I'll be using DLJ. I click enter, DLJ, enter DLJ. I just click the abbreviation. It doesn't require me to write over and over and over the whole name or the whole sentence. So that saves time, and if you're dealing with many data, this is correct and it's perfect for you. It is the way of it is the most shortcut with dealing with large or typing large sum of data. So that's all for today. We learned how to fit, how to find and replace autocorrect. Hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, and comment, and check out our YouTube channel. Full videos are there for many tutorials are coming, and we're uploading every week or after 3 days. Thank you for watching. Keep posted. Wait for the next episode. Thank you. See you.